So this is the SJCAM SJ6 Legend. Let's unbox this and see what's there inside. So this is the SJ6 Legend action camera, which comes with a waterproof casing. This casing is up to 30 feet waterproof. We'll keep the camera aside and see what's inside the box. This is the mini USB charging cable. This is the frame mount which can be used while using the external mic. This is the touch back door which can be attached to the waterproof casing, after which your camera will be touchscreen. While using this touch door, your camera will only be 10 feet waterproof. This is a handlebar mount which can be used on motorcycles and bicycles. This is a switch support screw which will be used in mounting your camera. This is the fixed mount and the adapter which will be used on the chin mount. These are two chin mounts which you have to stick on your helmet and mount your camera on this. There are two mounts. One is a curve mount and the other one is a flat mount. These come with 3M stickers. This is a 360-degree rotatable. When you mount this on your helmet, you can rotate your camera in 360 degrees. This is a curved mount. This is the same 360-degree mount which has a flat sticking surface. These are the SJCAM stickers which say "Empower your dream." A cloth to clean your camera and a user manual for instructions. I also got this external mic for SJ6 Legend. Only SJCAM mics are compatible with SJ6 action cameras. You cannot use any other company mics on this action camera. I also got this SanDisk 64GB Extreme Micro SD card for 1200 rupees. Now let's remove the camera from the waterproof casing and see how does it look. So the camera looks very good. It's pretty light in weight. This is the internal mic, the USB port for charging and the SD card slot. It has a 2.0 touch screen. This is the power button and the other one is for settings. This is the shutter button to start recording, and at the bottom we got the battery slot and the tripod mount. So let's on the camera and see what's in it. We will check some settings. These are some modes in the camera which you can use. Now let's mount the camera on the helmet and see how does it record the video and the audio.
So hello guys, the video that you are seeing now is recorded without the gyro stabilization. The stabilization is off and the audio that you are hearing is purely from the internal mic. I have not attached the external mic. You can look at the stability. Guys, as now you can see, I'm recording this video with gyro stabilization on, and the audio that you can hear is from the external mic. So you all may be knowing the difference. So you can compare both of these two and see which one is better. Even I don't have an idea, but now when I will check the videos, I'll get an idea who is suitable for motovlogging with the external mic or without the external mic.
So if you have watched the video till here and you have liked it, so please share this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.